Hi everyone, welcome to the Practical Gardener. In today's video, we are going to talk about this very unique and different kind of a plant. This is called the Bovia volubilis or the climbing onion. Okay, so if you see the plant, it has a bulb. It looks like a beautiful green onion, right? So it goes with the name climbing onion, native to Africa, particularly South Africa and Kenya. This is actually a plant that grows from bulb. So if you see the same plant in winter, you won't have these leaves and the stem growing, and you'll only have this bulb. And even the bulb, almost 75% of the bulb is outside the soil. Only the bottom of the bulb is inside the soil. So while it is called an onion, it is not part of the allium family or the onion family. This is actually a very unique plant to grow. I've had this now for I think 3 years. Okay, it came as a very small bulb. It was I would say half the size of this bulb, and the bulb has grown in the last 3 years. During winter, there's nothing. It's just the bulb, and all these leaves and this whole stem will just fall off, and it'll dry off and fall. I stop watering it also in winter. Even if I were to water it, it is only to dampen it, to keep it alive. The minute spring comes or a very early summer, suddenly you will find that it starts giving out these stems, and that's when you start watering it a little more, and you will see all this growth. All of this growth for this season has come in the last 1 month or so. It looks like a bushy and a hairy little thing, very, very, very thin and soft little stems. Okay, and they do get blooms as well. Mine is not yet blooming, but the blooms are also green in color. So if you've seen Spanish moss blooms, it's very similar kind of blooms that this gets as well. Goes with a lot of different names like Zulu potato. It is called climbing onion, sea onion. Don't think it is an onion. It's not edible. In fact, it is mildly poisonous. So you have to be careful around pets and kids. But having said that, a plant that is more ornamental, not edible at all. I love this plant because every year I kind of look forward to this stems growing. So, and interestingly, every year I've seen that the numbers of this stems or the creepers has increased. Like the first year I only got 1 stem. Okay, so even the growth was pretty limited because there was only 1 stem that was kind of climbing, etc. The second year I got 2 stems. Now this is the third year and I have got 3 stems. So I'm not sure if there is anything, next year I'm going to see how many stems come from this. So now at the end of summer, all of these leaves will drop again and the cycle continues. Okay, in terms of care, I have it in succulent soil, very well draining soil. You can mix soil and sand 50-50 as well and grow this, or if you get any kind of cinder based soil, that will be good for this as well. Very similar in terms of care requirements with other succulents or any other cordex forming plants. I have not seen pests on this, nor have I seen any kind of fertilization required. This is one plant I don't even fertilize because you're only growing it for a short amount of time in the season. I wanted to show you this plant before it goes back into its dormancy. It's going to be there now for a little while, at least till mid-summer. And then slowly it will start yellowing and withering, and then suddenly you'll find that the whole stem is gone. Okay, but the bulb remains for the next year. Now this plant apparently multiplies through bulbs, so I should be able to see more of these bulbs forming. So far I haven't seen that in my plant at least, and as you can see, I will have to transplant or repot this into a bigger pot because it is slowly occupying. Now the onion is almost hitting the sides of the pot. So I will have to kind of repot it probably for next year. But so far it seems happy. I'm not doing anything with it. I mean, I just water it maybe once in 10 days and that's all that I do, nothing else. and every year on year it gives me this beautiful growth. You won't find it in a nursery. You will have to look for it online through a Facebook seller or any seller that sells some exotic plants. I got it from Facebook, from a seller on Facebook, and I'm always on a lookout for something on the marketplace that is different. So this is what I found there. So that's where you can find it. All right. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. This is Bovia volubilis. Thank you. Bye.